Hey guys, it's Tony, and we're back on the bench. And this evening, ran into a little project here, and I've been doing a couple of separate videos on separate different topics in this particular project here, and this is going to be one of them, real quick. All right, so we're talking about drag stacks again. All right, I've got a couple of other videos on the YouTube channel you can check out when it comes to drag stacks, but this is a drag stack, or what's left of one, that's come out of this Shakespeare combo spinning reel here, and you can just see. All right, this is what happens. All right, you've got disintegration of the drag washer. All right, this is just falling apart, and it's fused to a rusted metal washer. All right, this is really as bad as it can get, essentially. All right, and this warrants either replacement or just simply not using. Like if you can't find a replacement, for that drag stack. All right, so in turn, in order to prevent this kind of scenario, all right, back off your drag stack. Okay, back off the tension. Okay, this is the top cap, that goes, on the, on top of the spool, for this reel. All right, back that off. All right, when you're not using it. All right, I can't stress that enough, because this is what happens. All right, now granted, yeah, this is a combo reel. It's not worth much. In its current state, it wouldn't even be worth $5, to be honest. Okay, but let's just say it's the only reel that you have, to your disposal or whatever. The only one you have access to, and you have to have it work, and you need it to work well. If you back it off, all right, and periodically check the drag stack, okay, and you can easily remove drag stacks on a lot of these top drag style, spinning reels, such as this one. Okay, they're just held in with a snap ring, just like so. All right, and you can actually look at the drag washers. All right, and you can clean them, or possibly replace them, if you've got extra spare parts kicking around. Okay, so in short, back that off, and also, rinse your reels off, because what happens with a lot of these top drag style spinning reels, especially when you use them in salt water, is these drags are exposed to that salt spray all the time. Okay, and that can definitely create rust. Okay, so I hope those tips are helpful. And please make sure to check out all the other videos that I have on the YouTube channel, in regards to drag stacks and drag stack maintenance and whatnot. And thanks again for watching. This is Tony with Back on the Bench. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please make sure you do subscribe and hit the notification button. That way you will get all the updates as to when I have new videos coming out, and there'll be quite a few more coming out here shortly, so stay tuned for those, and we'll see you next time.